Hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everybody. Happy New Year 2018. Today we introduce ACEMAX new products, a smart Wi-Fi power strip. It is a smart devices, can work with Amazon Alexa and supports Google Home Assistant. You can control it by your voice, hands-free, and also you can control it by the a free app installed on your smartphone through your tablet. Okay, we'll have a look at the products. First of all, open the package. You can have a look at the package first. And before your operation, you need to install the app, the Free Life Smart Life app on your smartphone. You can get this app by scanning the QR code on the package, or you can also get it from the iOS store or Google Play Store. We open it. This is the English user menu, that's guide. This is the products, the white version. So let's open it. It has 4 separate AC outlets and 4 USB ports. You can control different sockets by the app, by voice, from Echo, or from Alexa, or from the Google Home Assistant. And for these 4 USB ports, you can control as a whole. Let's power on the strip. Remember, first you install the app on your smartphone. Here you can see blink fast. We open the app, Smart Life. These two is ones where I have already installed. One is the LED bulb, another is a power strip for my own use. Click Add. Now it is a quick blink fast mode, easy connection. It's an electrical alternate. So rapidly blink. Click. Remember, this is a single Wi-Fi. Need to just 2.4 GHz, not the 5.8 ones. So confirm. Okay, very fast. Now done. You can change the name to Apple. So generally it is switch 1, switch 2, switch 3, switch 4, and you find key. Like a plug in. This one is anything. It's a 2. So I can control it. Different one. Okay. This is controlled by app. Then let's go to how to set up in Alexa. I set it in the open it on the work skills. First you need to type the skills, Smart Life, Smart Life, this one, right? Okay, when you first set, here you will be enable. Okay, enable the scale and go to the smart home. Devices. So you can click here, discover. Or you can also by your voice to say, Alexa, discover new devices, or Echo, discover devices.
Starting discovery. This will take up to 20 seconds. If you haven't already, please enable the smart home skill for your smart device from the Alexa app.
Okay, I click first. Click here, discover.
I found 6 new devices. Try saying, turn off Apple.
Good. Now found it. Monkey, elephant, apple. Apple is this name of this power strip. So here I can say, Echo, turn off Apple.
Okay.
So all of them are off. Echo, turn on Apple.
Okay.
So all of them are on. Echo, turn off monkey.
Okay.
Echo, turn off elephant.
Okay.
Very good. So now the next one, I will teach you how to set in Google Home Assistant. We open it. Click here. Explore. So we'll try first to say OK Google. Send it my devices. I'll try to see it can find or not. Okay, go. Turn on. Turn on monkey. To see can it's okay or not. No. Okay, let's go here. Settings. Home control. Add. Smart knife. Unlink it. Unlink. And then find it again. Smart knife. Here. So here you type in your Smart Life app and your password. It's mine. Okay. Link it. Now link to Smart Life. New now. Authorize. So now you have added the devices. Can find it. Apple, Elephant, done. Got it. So now you can control them by voice. Okay, Google.
I'm here. What can I do for you?
Turn off Apple. Turn off Apple.
You got it. Turning the apple off.
All of them are off. Okay, Google. Turn on Apple.
Here are the top search results.
Okay, Google.
Hi, how can I help?
Turn on Apple.
Kashmiri ones are famous the world over.
Turn on Apple. Okay, all of them are on. So, okay. Okay, Google. Since I'm using VPN, the network is not so good. Okay, Google. Turn off monkey. Turn off elephant. Turn off elephant. Good. Okay, so this is a simple guide for you how to set up the power strip with Alexa, with a Google Home Assistant, and also the setting up for the app. Wish you like it. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channels. You can also find out more products on our website. Follow us on our Facebook, our Twitter. Thanks for your watching, and I wish you a happy 2018. Thank you. Bye-bye.